Kadaghan sa atong itlog today guys. Oh. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Wow. Good job, girls. Let's do. Puno ka itong sudanan. 16 eggs. Wow. 16 eggs. Oh, plus 2 pa jud here. Sige. So we have 18 eggs. 1 dozen and a half. Itong blue eggs. Ready. Puno ang atong sudanan. Dari ni kasagaran sila likod sa among fan or the AC. Puno. Makatuod. Kasagaran digtum na ako ibutang ilang pagkaon. Girls, thank you for your lot of eggs. You guys have lots of eggs. Thank you. Kawas na sila. Nakoy grapes dito gibutang. So muna lang gituka-tuka. Yan sila. Super bright, guys. Since the moon is almost a half. It's getting dark.
We're partying.
Boys, wear your sunglasses. Go check.
Partying.
Hey, check now. Check now. Where is the moon now? The moon last time we see is go right over there. How you see?
Barbie is dead.
You see? Go up top. Where is the moon now? In the middle? Let's see, guys, together. It's only dark, huh? It's getting dark.
I see the mirror.
Oh, there you go. The moon is...
And I see your baby door.
Yeah.
Barbie.
Oh, almost half. It's half now. Half na ang moon, guys. Half.
Look,
Barbie see.
Is dead.
See? That's how it is now, the moon. That's why it starts little getting dark. Getting dark. Little bit dark now. getting dark, guys. It's almost about to happen. You see. That's the status now of the solar eclipse. Go there. There. So if you see this, the specific sunglasses, guys, you can see that's now the status of the moon. Almost there na. And it feels like the temperature too, it's like getting a little bit chill. Unlike earlier, it's very sunny and hot.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.